Oh God. Oh boy. Come back this way. Oh. They keep going in circles. Quit trying to eat her legs. She's not a piece of chicken. What are you doing? You want to go inside and get a cookie? You want to go inside and get a cookie? Zoe, you want to go inside and get a cookie? I'm trying to see your tail wiggle. Zoe, you want to get a cookie? Jack, you want to go get a cookie? Let's go, come on. Let's go inside and get a cookie. No, you don't want to go inside? Not yet. That's not the way to get a cookie. We just walked past our door. You little fart. Come on this way. No. Come on this way. No, Jack. Now you're even more stuck, you dummy. Good boy. No, stop it. Stop moving. Get Zoe. No, you can't go that way. Idiot dog. Go that way. Go. Go. Shoo. Shoo. No. There you go, you idiot dog.